So, driving along in Bryan's 54 Ford Fairlane, and I see our speedometer issue that he has talked about is acting up. That's in the cluster itself. But as you can see, the odometer is operating perfect. Alright, so we're going to remove the cluster here from the 55. Let me see that nut right there. Gotta undo a bunch of those, and that baby will pop right out. Easy peasy. Also need to unhook the lights and the speedo cable. Not too bad. That was that. The 4 nuts with the brackets. And a couple nuts on the back side here. Holding stuff to gauges. Done deal. Easy peasy.